Hi, so this is an sample just to show you how you want to make sure that your clients are opted in to receive emails. So if you click on clients and you'll see a list of all your contacts here. Um, I'm just going to choose a few. Let's just say I just added this one and just go into the customer and click show more right next to the contact or right below contact information. And this should be opted in for promotion. So if you don't see this opted in as a yes, click edit and make sure that you check this box. So make sure that that box is checked and hit save, and that will opt them in to receive the auto generated email marketing messages. So just make sure that every client that you put in, let's just say like this one, I know I just put in January 7th. So same thing, contact information, show more, and see like this one is not opted in. So just click the little pencil button and opt it in, save, and that will ensure that they're added to your system, not just with the tag that you put, but also opted in to receive that email. Hope this helps. Thanks.